What's for breakfast today?
We've got cereal, pancakes, toast, but you must choose.
I vote for pancakes! Dancing pancakes! Breakfast time, the choice is near. What will you pick, my dears?
Do you want cereal, crunchy and sweet?
Yes, yes! Or maybe pancakes, soft to eat. Yum!
Cereal is fast.
Pancakes can dance. Choices, choices every day.
We learn to choose the kindest way.
Dad, fast decision, let's decide. What do you want with joy inside? Step to the left if you like toast. Step to the right for what you love most.
Funny drama Q&A. Should we toast with jam so red?
Yes, yes! Or eggs so yummy with cheese and bread. Maybe.
We got cereal,
What if I eat them all? That's a super breakfast call.
big or small, the choice is true.
Every morning it's up to you. Remember, we can't eat everything at once. But it's so hard to choose. Take a breath, it's not too late. Make your choice and it'll taste great.
Fruit or toast, what do you say?
Toast!
Milk or juice to start your day?